Hi, I'm Kavita Dalhan. In this video, I'll be doing unboxing of this product. It's from Ambrane and it's a multi-purpose grooming kit. So let's get started. Now this is called Cruiser Grooming Kit and it is easy, fast and precise, and of course it's a men grooming kit. So you get 5 different heads for beard, your hair, your nose and ear and your body grooming. Now some other features that I mentioned on the box are that it is a self-sharpening blade. That means it's stronger, more durable self-sharpening blade for accurate cutting every time. Now it is also compared to, if you compare this with traditional method, then this is of course a faster and more hygienic method. Plus you get 7 mm precision blade for the finishing touches on your stubble, your beard, your sideburns and your eyebrows. And here you also get a 30 mm trimming blade, that is for your stubble, beard and mustache trimming and shaping. So if you want to shape your mustache or you want to trim it, then you get different blades. Now you also get this foil shaver, you get this rotatory blade, it is for trimming your nose and your ear hair. And you also get a 40 mm trimming blade, specially designed wider blade for easy hair clipping and tripping of body hair. Now let's quickly open the box. I think it's a perfect gifting option for men because a lot of time we don't understand what to gift men. So let me take out all the blades. Okay, there you go. You also get a pouch here. So if you want to carry this for vacations and all, this pouch really comes in handy. Plus I think this is the charging cable. This is how you can charge this. This is the main holder where you put different blades and you work on different areas of your body, and it's very easy to use. You have this 1, 2, so you get 2 speed settings over here, and this is of course the main power button. Now you also get this user manual. It's very important if you're using a grooming kit for the first time. All the different blades and all their functions are mentioned here in detail. So I think this will really help you a lot to understand the features. This is like the docking station where you can put the stuff, everything. Like you just have to, it's like a mini holder for all the attachments. So you don't have to look for different attachments, and then you get these different blades for trimming, for shaving, for stubble, beard or your mustache. Here you also get little oil in this bottle, and this is the lubricating oil. You must put this oil into the attachments to clean them once in a while. So you also get this brush wherein you can put the oil nicely so that nothing remains in this, and they are fresh and hygienic to use, and they lubricate the attachments very nicely. These are the different blades and they are of good quality to make sure no cuts and all happen, and it's completely safe. So you get all these different attachments. This is like a razor, as you can see. So it takes out all the hair from the body, and some men like to wax also. Some men like to clean their arms, so you can use not only here but also on your arms and all. So you get those trimmers, different sizes, and then all these are used on different areas. Like this one is for your ears and your nose hair. This blade is for that. So you just fix the attachment over here and then you use it. So it's very simple to use. So this was it from the brand Ambrane, this men grooming kit. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of this video. Stay tuned in for more.